Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. I am MMS MUMTAZ and you are watching my channel MMS MUMTAZ Technical. In this video, I'll tell about WordPress website header. Just go on dashboard, click on appearance and go to menu. I'll show you setting about primary menu, top menu. Just you can check here, go to your website name and click on website, right click and open link, a new tab. You will go to new tab and just here is top menu and primary menu also. When you click on appearance menu and you will check there is too many headers name, your home, MMS MUMTAZ Tech, WordPress, also these are here. And when you want to create any just menu, click on here, create a new menu and you will see there is pop-up for menu name. Just type here, click on primary menu, type here primary menu and go to create menu. You will create a new menu. I just want to tell you about this one. Check here, there is two menu, home and MMS MUMTAZ. Go to site MMS MUMTAZ and it's home. Now I want to tell you about categories. If you want to create any categories and change categories, just go on post and categories. I already told about this and just check here in theme. Already mentioned too many categories. You can just quick edit and edit on these categories. So if you want to go on appearance and menus, you can check here is also category mention and there is all categories, view all. If you want to click on view all and select all, add to menu. Now I'll refresh it. Check here, MMS MUMTAZ, how to, Facebook, blog, all categories here. So just create your menu and enjoy. Hope you will like this videos, comment and share to your friends. Bye bye, thanks.